Guys, what is this? I was playing Roblox, just normal, not bike pa, just doing the rules, not doing anything bad. So like I got out of the game. Yeah, it just had an update like Brookhaven. I was playing that, I got out of the game normally, and then it's like I got banned, and then it popped up. This popped up. You see this? It just popped up out of nowhere. I didn't even do anything bad. This just popped out. Did this happen to you too, guys? Maybe Roblox is down again? I don't know, guys. Just comment if, or like post videos if this happened to you, okay? I don't know what this is. I didn't even do anything bad. Huh? Maybe it's an update? I don't know.